Hello everyone. Today we're excited to announce the release of intelli-CTi version 4.2, QGate's computer telephony integration solution for Dynamics 365. It's designed to help you personalise the customer experience, to help you treat them as a human, not just a number. We'll quickly have a run through of all the latest and greatest features and how they will benefit you, your users and your customers. So let's jump straight in, shall we? The first and biggest new feature is our new and modified user interface. After listening to your feedback, it was obvious that this needed updating, and it made sense to create as much synergy with the new unified interface of Dynamics 365. We've gone with the smart, sleek, less is more look with flat icons, so the user feels that intelli-CTi is just another part of Dynamics 365. We're going to use our virtual telephone here to spoof an inbound call where you can really get a greater look and feel for the new user interface. As you can see, within the call controls, we can answer the call here. We can pause and resume on the new flat icons. And as we've answered the call, there is one record associated with this number, so the system has automatically screen popped. You also have the opportunity to further associate with any previous activities, cases, opportunities, or you can create your new cases, opportunities as well. The user also has the opportunity to write their notes within the notepad here, and as we hang up the call, which leads us on nicely to our next new feature, which is the call disposition and outcome. We've added this brand new feature to the call wrap-up screen. It's designed so users can quickly select the outcome of the call, whether it was a voicemail left, introduction call, or closed sale, for example. It's been designed so the disposition is easily customised with no code to suit your business and can set values which really resonate with your users. These values are then recorded in the call history log along with your other call details, where you can create these certain dashboards. An interesting thing you could potentially look to do here is trigger a workflow which could create a marketing campaign or a follow-up activity. Again, just automating and saving the user that time. The next feature is an additional way to outbound dial. Alongside the traditional preview dial within the intelli-CTi Breeze Bar, we have also added to accompany UCI an opportunity to outbound dial via the phone icon here, or if you wanted to go into a contact records, the hyperlink number is also an opportunity to outbound dial. As you can see, once you click on the number, the intelli-CTi dialer will then automatically make an outbound call and associate it with that record. After 3 rings here of the VTS, the system will associate and pick up the call, and then the user can continue with their outbound call as they have previously done. Possibly the most exciting new addition to intelli-CTi version 4.2 is the inclusion of our interactive help guides, which are powered by the popular e-learning platform for Dynamics 365 ClickLearn. QGate are the first authorised partner within the UK, and these guides have been designed to make it easy to follow step-by-step instructions, whether that be via Word or PDF, or we also have the opportunity to learn visually via our Show Me videos, which are narrated with the instructions. As you can see, they're extremely easy to use and navigate through to ensure the onboarding process for customers, users is as seamless as possible, and those all important adoption rates of the solution are through the roof. This guide is 24/7 and can be translated into over 40 languages, and one interesting note, if we were to customise your solution of intelli-CTi, we could also customise these guides to fit that. For those of you who love their data, we now also offer a free value add optional Power BI analytics pack to help you get even more out of your call data. At a glance, you can get all the information about multiple users, including number of calls, duration, case resolution, and even opportunities won. We even built some gamification for phone interactions to make it a little bit more competitive to further increase user engagement. As you can see, you can also track inbound calls as well as outbound calls with the associated accounts. Alongside this, we've added an extra layer of security. intelli-CTi now supports OAuth Security standard, which significantly improves the user's security and provides support for those who use multi-factor authentication. OAuth is an open standard designed to provide access to applications like intelli-CTi without the user having to provide their password. Instead, it uses security tokens, which means that the user's security information is not stored within intelli-CTi or on the PC, providing a secure method to authenticate intelli-CTi with Dynamics 365. And at any time in the future, if the user wishes to revoke this information, they can do so if they wish. For previous intelli-CTi customers, you may have known that we are compatible with over 60 different telephone switches or PBXs, but sometimes we do have a request for a phone system that we don't currently support. But we have good news for you. We've opened up the ability for third parties to extend intelli-CTi to add support to their phone systems, and we can now deliver a packaged source code that will give phone vendors a strong starting point to integrate their platform with intelli-CTi. If any assistance is needed, our team of engineers can lend a hand with the integration, ensuring a smooth process. Speaking of telephone integrations, we're happy to announce that we have adopted the popular RingCentral platform to our compatibility list. In fact, we use the same source code that we offer to vendors to create this integration. If you didn't know, RingCentral is one of the top hosted phone providers, and we're proud to partner with them to bring RingCentral customers the ability to use intelli-CTi with their phone service. And that concludes everything of what's new in version 4.2 of intelli-CTi. So as you can see, we've been busy trying to bring you the best product for your users and customers. It's with our new and modern user interface, creating further synergy with Dynamics 365. Call disposition to improve workflow of the user, outbound dialing enhancements to increase that user productivity, 24/7 interactive help and installation guides powered by ClickLearn, Power BI dashboard for insightful reporting on call statistics, enhanced security with OAuth and multi-factor authentication, and finally an opportunity to further connect with our build-it-yourself platform we use to integrate with RingCentral. That concludes what's new in 4.2, but if you have any questions or want to set up your demo, please feel free to contact QGate or your Microsoft partner. Alternatively, please search intelli-CTi on the web.